Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First you have need to watch this accuracy of this single indicator. Okay, let me show you first. Here you can see only this single indicator simple local strategy is giving you accuracy 78, you can say 80% accuracy. Only this single but if you will add setting a second indicator, you will get the accuracy around 95% accuracy. Okay, by using second indicator. Okay, first you have need to watch the video complete. Do not miss any point because this video is very important. Okay, it will automatically draw the support and resistance line, and it will give you the auto entries. Like me show you here, you can see it give you the buy entry, and you can see the market going still upside. Okay, and in the previous one you can see this one is the sell entry. You can go for the sell entry and you have to book the profit when candles touch to the red lines. Okay, so you have need you can book your profit here. Okay, second, you have need to go for another sell entry like this one. Here is a resistance, so you can go for the sell trade from this point, or you can go for the sell trade from this point, and you have need to book your profit here. Okay, and the third thing, you can go for the sell trade, but you have to exit your trade when you got the buy signal. Like this one, you can go for the buy trade, you can book your profit here. Second entry, you can go for the entry, and you have need to book your take profit from this point. Okay, this is your take profit too. Okay, same here. Third entry, third take profit, this is your fourth take profit, only buy side pay. Okay, you had to go only for the buy side. Okay, when you got buy signal. Okay, when you got sell signal, you had to go for the same thing. Let me show you results in some other pair like US 30 or US 100. Let me show you. First go to study tester, and you can see this single indicator in US 30 is working awesome. Okay, like on single indicator from the last 18 trade, it's giving you accuracy 94.44%. Okay, I'm using 3 minute time frame. You can use any time frame. Okay, in the 3 minute time frame, it's giving you accuracy around 94.44%, and that is awesome. Okay, and the okay, we have to watch the results in some other pair like near a lot. In the near, you are in the crypto pair, you are getting around 83%, but in some pairs you will not get much accuracy. Like me show you in results in gold. In the gold, you are getting accuracy 75%. That is actually a very good accuracy, it's not a bad one. Okay, that is a awesome one, awesome strategy. Here you can see the sell signal, buy signal, and go to the sell signal. Okay, there is a very important point. Okay, that is a very important point. Like if you go for the buy entry, you have need to exit your trade at this point. You can go for the another buy entry, but in the second entry you are not getting some good profit. Like you can book your profit here. Okay, but at the sell entry, you can go for the sell entry like when candle is very close like here, or you can book your profit here. Okay, and you can go for the second entry. Second, you can go for another sell entry. Okay, and it will definitely will give you the profit. I was talking about in some pairs you are not getting much accuracy like UK oil. Let me see, you are getting 72%. That is actually a good accuracy. In the SPX, you are getting 63% accuracy. In GPB USD, you are getting 53%. So what you have need to do for in this pair, when you in some pairs you are not getting some good accuracy, like in the 26 days you are getting accuracy 53.85. So what you have need to do, so for this one you have need to add second indicator. Okay, what second indicator will give you. Here you can see the second indicator will give you the band lines, the RSI ribbon, okay, and some sell and buy signals. There are a lot of buy and sell signal and lot of confusion, but after getting this sell signal, okay, let me show you. When this indicator gave you sell signal and the second indicator, you have to wait for the second indicator to give you the sell signal. Like after getting this sell signal, you have to go for the sell trade from this point, okay. RSI, you can see RSI is upside from the upper band line, so that is a very important point, or you can say that is your oversold condition, and it will give you the profit like here, okay. This is another sell position, and you can see that RSI is upside from the band line, so that is your another oversold condition, and you can see the results, okay. That is your another sell position, that is because it's very close, so you can go for the sell trade and you have to book your profit here, okay. From this way you will get accuracy around 95% to 100% accuracy, okay. It's actually a very effective strategy. People are using it, and you can see in the last 5 to 6 videos I'm using only these two indicators, and uh, people love this, and I don't I don't know why people like it so much. That I think the reason is because it's giving you so much accuracy, but I was that is unbelievable that lot of people contacted me, and even sometime I uh, I was not able to reply everyone, because daily I am receiving 50 to 60 requests for this indicators. So first of all, this indicators, my this not this one, let me show you. These are my all scripts, okay, and I'm working always for the best indicators, okay, and these are my all scripts, and here you can see I'm using in this video I'm using this indicator simple yoga 4.8. At the end of the video I will add this indicator in your in TradingView Live, okay. These are my some algos, and this one is simple yoga strategy that give you the buy and sell signal, okay. This one simple yoga strategy, it's giving you the sell and signal and buy signal and support and resistance, each and everything, okay. So you can see the results of this indicator, and the people who are buying my indicator are getting all my scripts, okay. I'm giving them all of scripts, okay. One this all, okay, and this all indicators, so you can watch my video and use the indicator that you like, okay. There is no difficulty, you can use easily by watching my video, okay. And how you can contact me, let me show you my contact details. These are my contact details: WhatsApp, Telegram, Gmail. And if you want to contact me on my Telegram, remember write one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels and you need to be aware and do not join fake Telegram, otherwise you will lose your money. And and you know better the people who are making fake Telegram channel was what is what actually, you know why they are making, because they want to make the people fool, and obviously they are scammers, so you have need to be aware. Do not join fake Telegram. I do not have any WhatsApp groups or Telegram channels, just personal contact me on my Telegram, WhatsApp or Gmail, okay. Now I have need to add the indicators, so first I have need to remove them, okay, and then I have need to add the indicators. So simple yoga 4.8, you have need to open my file, control A, select all, copy the code, then go to the Pine editor. Here you find the option Pine editor, okay, this one, and after clicking on Pine Editor, you will see there will be some code, like maybe one or two line, maybe there lot of codes. So first you have to remove all the code and paste my code, Control V. Okay, and then click on Add to Chart. Okay, the indicator will be look like it's still compiling. Just wait few seconds and it will be done. Okay, so just go to the setting, indicator setting, go to the indicator setting, uncheck this one. RSI is will view the scenario, and 3 influence signal we do not need this thing, and RSI, yes, we need RSI, and RSI value should be 75, but you can use default setting. Okay, and swing mode, that you need to uncheck it. That's it, setting is done. You can see the indicator. Okay, the second thing, you have to add one more indicator, simple hoga strategy. This one, open it, Control A, Control C, copy the code, go to the Pine Editor, Control A, Control V. Okay, and then click on Add to Chart, not on Update on Chart. Okay, just click on Add to Chart, and the indicator will be look like this one. You can see there is nothing. So what you have need to do, if you are using 3 minute, 1 minute or 5 minute time frame, then you have need to go to setting and click on resolution 4 hour. Okay, and if you want to use 15 minute, 30 minute, or then you have need to select 1 day. Okay, if you want to use time frame like 4 hour or 1 day, then you have need to select here 1 week. Okay, so that is very simple. Okay, you can see the same accuracy like I show you the earlier. It's not a good one, actually very good accuracy, but it's fine. Okay, so hopefully you will like my video and will subscribe my channel, and must subscribe my channel. Okay, and I have to show you again contact details. These are my contact details: WhatsApp, Telegram, or simplehoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me. And remember, stay away from fake Telegram channels. Stay away from fake Telegram channels. Okay, okay, that's it. I think I gave you whole details now, and must subscribe my channel, must like my video, must subscribe my channel. Okay, for the next video, I think goodbye, take care, and that's it.